Food is everywhere. We eat when we wake up, we eat when we're bored, we eat when we celebrate. But what if, not eating could be the key to something incredible? What if fasting could reset our bodies at a cellular level, rewiring how we age, heal, and function? For centuries, fasting has been deeply rooted in cultures and traditions, from Ramadan to Ayurveda. But only recently has science uncovered the hidden cellular magic that happens when we give our bodies a break from food. In groundbreaking studies, scientists have identified key mechanisms that fasting triggers in our cells. Let's dive into what happens when you stop eating and why your cells love it. Imagine your body has a garbage disposal system. Over time, your cells accumulate damaged proteins and worn-out components. During fasting, cells activate autophagy, a process where they self-clean, breaking down and recycling waste. This means fasting doesn't just help you lose weight, it helps you detox at a microscopic level. Loving this deep dive into fasting? Hit that like button and subscribe to Topic Guide for more science-backed insights. But autophagy isn't the only trick fasting has up its sleeve. Let's talk about something even more fascinating. A recent 2024 discovery introduced us to nucleophagy, a special process where cells remove harmful DNA protein lesions from the nucleus. It's like your cells taking out the trash before it can cause trouble. This breakthrough suggests fasting may play a role in keeping your genetic material healthy and resilient. And speaking of resilience, fasting does something even more amazing. It can rejuvenate stem cells. Stem cells are like your body's repair team. They regenerate tissues, support healing, and keep you youthful. But as we age, stem cell function declines. A 2024 study from Columbia University found that fasting followed by refeeding reboots stem cells, particularly in the blood-forming system. In aging mice, fasting reduced chronic inflammation and allowed blood stem cells to function like they were young again. But wait, what happens to your metabolism? A recent study found that during prolonged fasting, your body lowers resting energy expenditure to conserve fuel. This is why fasting for extended periods should be done carefully. For instance, after 20 days of fasting, metabolic rate drops by about 20%, showing that our bodies are incredibly adaptive. However, not all stem cells react to fasting the same way. Neural stem cells. A 2023 study found that intermittent fasting did not significantly improve adult brain cell regeneration. Muscle stem cells. A Stanford study discovered that fasting sends these cells into a deep resting state, making them more resistant to stress. Blood stem cells. Fasting cycles can trigger immune system regeneration, with a peak occurring after refeeding. This all happens because of how fasting influences our nutrient-sensing pathways, AMPK, mTOR, and IGF-1. Reduced IGF-1 and suppressed mTOR signal the body to shift into repair mode, preserving stem cells for future regeneration. While the fasting has incredible potential, it's not a magic bullet. It works best when personalized, so what's right for one person may not be ideal for another. If you're considering fasting, always consult a healthcare provider, especially if you have underlying conditions. Are you learning something new today? Drop a comment and tell us, have you ever tried fasting? What was your experience like? But one thing is clear, fasting isn't just about weight loss. It's about cellular rejuvenation, longevity, and healing. The science is still unfolding, but one thing is for sure, our bodies are designed for cycles of eating and fasting. Maybe it's time to give ourselves the break they deserve. So, will you try it? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed insights. Until next time, stay curious.